Guys, welcome back. Today I'm again on cycle and let's go to Max Hospital for my work. So the morning duty is over and it's 3:45. So I brought my cycle today. Finally. So this is my cycle. Firefox Tremor X. Let's go. Hey guys, today I'm going to buy a shoe for my father. So let's see what I buy. I got my salary. So I just want to, buy something for my parents also. Especially my father. Because I don't know, like in the future I might regret. So why not just do it? So guys, it's gonna rain soon. The clouds. I have these shoes. Don't ask the price. Just I did it. Guys, it's gonna rain 100% now. See. It's gonna rain, guys. It's gonna rain. Black cloud. So guys, this is the hairstyle. It's pretty solid, I'd say. So guys, as I said, it's raining. Sadly, I need to go to the gym, but it's raining. And I decided to walk in the rain. I'm going to run in the rain and I'm going to show you guys how good it feels.
So much change, why I'm twisted, why I'm always going strong.